Okay, we're here at a neighbor's house. We're installing a 10 by 17 rectangle trampoline. We've already cut out the sod to get it out of the way. We're going to make several videos that show step-by-step procedure of the proper way to install this rectangle trampoline. So we're going to start off today with unwrapping the trampoline boxes. The first thing we're going to do is pull out all the round pipes and put them in position on the lawn. And then we'll start assembling those round pipes and it'll start to look like a trampoline frame. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have 3 people. It's easiest to assemble this frame with 3 people. We're going to put this leg into the corner pieces. So we have a 3-piece frame. Then we're going to lift it up and we're going to put 4 legs on. Then it'll be self-standing. Then we'll do the same thing on this side and it'll be self-standing. And then we'll attach each end together with the center posts. Okay, we just laid out the lower angle iron railing, these pieces. What you have here, this corner piece is labeled GR. The opposite corner is also GR. It's an identical piece. Then on these corners, it's GL and GL. On the long sides of your trampoline, this longer angle iron straight piece is labeled H and H. They're identical. On the short sides, the straight pieces, they're a little bit shorter than the H's and they're labeled I and I. So you've got to line them all up and get the holes lining up, and then we can start adding the bolts that hold it all together. Okay, now that we've put all the bolts in the lower alignment rail, this angle iron, we put them all in and we didn't tighten anything. You do not want to tighten any of the bolts, just put them in by finger tight. Then we're going to take these leg cross members and we're going to put the bolts and the nuts on those, and we're going to tighten those, and then we'll go around and we'll tighten these alignment rail bolts, and then everything will be tight and ready to go.